Hey guys, I am in the middle of a move, hence the old school style video. I got this in the mail just now, got super excited, opened it up, and realized I forgot to make a video on it, and that is not okay. So, here's a quick video on the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. Now, for those of you who don't know, these are Bose's response to the AirPod Pros and Sony's MX1000 something something in-ear active noise canceling headphones. I had a poor issue and in terms of the fit with the AirPod Pros, so I had an issue with the AirPod Pros fitting really poorly in my ears, so I was super excited to check these out. And now that they're here, let's get started with a quick unboxing. Packaging is nice and clean. It's got like this felt material on the inside that's actually kind of spongy. That's where some of the money goes. And the actual headphones, front and center, and that is a chunky case. Real quick, AirPod Pros versus the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds. That is significantly bigger. Jeez. Anyways, what else is in the packaging? Underneath the tab, ear tips. That's a size 3, that's a size 1, so I gather that a size 2 is currently on the actual earbuds. That's a USB-C cable, nice and small, good for travel. Underneath that you have a desiccant, and then a bunch of manuals, it looks like. There's one super long one, probably in 10 different languages, and then the Start Here guide. That basically says to download the app in 10 different languages. Okay, so there's that. Now, the actual headphones. So again, that's a case. It's a glossy sort of a case. I feel like this might collect some fingerprints, but I mean, only time will tell. Opening the case, you press the button, and actually right below that are some indicator lights that show you the charge status. There you go. So they blink. I have them paired already with my phone, and that probably messed up the audio just now, but that's okay. That's the actual earbud. It's actually not too bad, but it's actually not too great either. It's a pretty chunky piece of hardware compared to the AirPod Pros. And you can see that there is quite a difference in size. Now, I will say, having tried on the Quiet Comfort earbuds, they are significantly more comfortable than the AirPod Pros in my ear. That to me is already a huge win, and Bose's sound quality is, it's legendary. You can't really go wrong with that. Price-wise, they're a little bit higher than the AirPod Pros, which you can now get on sale somewhere or another. But, all things considered, the Bose headphones are actually so far so good as far as fit in the ear, which is my biggest complaint with the AirPod Pros. So stay tuned for a full review. That's going to be coming pretty soon once I get more acquainted with these headphones. And we will go from there. Of course, there is machinery passing by outside while I record this video, which is always fun. But, this is the kind of high quality programming you tune in for. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully with the office all set up.